problem with the level crossing. The barriers, one barrier is down, the half barrier, the other barrier is not down because someone has jammed the motor on the level crossing on Thornbridge East crossing. You can see Network Rail are working on it. The engineers are working on it. You got an electrician there. We got the rail response unit on site. You can see here I've got the fan there. It's on site. We've got another Network Rail van parked for the electricians. So Network Rail are fixing the problem at the level crossing, Thornbridge East crossing. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you, goodbye.